A day of a differently able STEM student. First thing in the morning, like any other routine, I clean up my bed, get ready for the day, and eat breakfast. Right after that, I went straight for my class. I mostly just listen without writing notes and end up falling asleep. But right after class ended, I went straight for my favorite sport, archery. Here is a reason and proof that I like archery.
You never see it coming.